Yes, this election is extremely important for masculinity. Now, politics aside and policies aside, if a certain somebody does not win this election, then men will continue to suffer in 2024 like they are suffering today. Young men are in extremely difficult positions. And I tell you why. It's because they've been left out in the cold and the darkness by the media and by politicians and by government and by law. And I'm personally had enough of this shit. And I feel as though the feminist agenda has just gone way too extreme and way too far, supporting women to a degree that, we're supposed to be equal, but it's not equal anymore. When I come to America, I realize how powerful women are and how men have all become pussies. And rightfully so. As a man, you can't speak up. Because if you speak up, you get crushed, you get cancelled, you get divorced, you get half your shit taken away from you. It's a disastrous world for the modern man, especially in the West, my friends. Now, I'm lucky enough to be able to spend time wherever I want on the planet. And so I've been spending a lot of time in Eastern Europe because I prefer the Eastern values now. America's obviously a lot better for business, and I have much better social life here, and obviously the infrastructure is amazing. But I cannot put my assets at risk and put my fate in the hands of a government that doesn't support me as a man. This US government does not support me as a man. Okay? I don't want to get into the details of now abortion and immigration. I'm talking about the election from a masculinity point of view. Okay? I represent masculinity, true masculinity. That is what this channel is about. It's about self-improvement and masculinity and understanding female nature and getting what you want as a man, but being a bit more of a traditional man with a modern touch who's also emotionally intelligent. Okay? If anyone comes on this channel and starts dropping the word toxic masculinity, I'm going to call you an idiot. Because I'm certainly far off that. And I am not supporting Trump because Kamala's a woman, right? If she had the right policies, then I would also support her, right? I'm wholeheartedly backing the Republicans in this election. I'm wholeheartedly backing Trump. Right? And I will say that out on social media, and I'll be completely honest with it, because I'm tired of men who I represent getting destroyed in the Western society. Absolutely destroyed. We have no voice left here. No voice whatsoever. The woman speaks up, and all of a sudden everyone runs around. Oh my God, oh my God. Man speaks up, no one wants to listen anymore. If she decides to leave you, she takes half your shit. Men are scared. Scared. If she sleeps with you, and she's a little bit drunk, and she messages you the next day saying you took advantage of me, and decides to go to the police, but you didn't take advantage of her because you're an honourable man and you're scared of what's going to happen to you, then you get in a shitload of trouble. You'll be arrested, you'll be questioned, and it's guilty before proven innocent. It's not innocent before proven guilty anymore. Sorry about the wind. So that's my issue with it. That's my issue with the Western world. I support Trump during this election. I want him to win. I want him to bring and regain masculinity back in this Western world. We've gone too far down the victimization route. We now support women, transgenderism, LGBTQ, SQ, all sorts of other shitty letters that I can't be bothered to now discuss. I have no problem with you being who you want to be in society. Right? You are allowed to be a dog or a cat or to sleep with a donkey. I don't care. You can choose to do what you want. But stop pushing this agenda down our throats. Stop pushing this agenda down my nephew's throats, down the children's throats of this modern society. Stop pushing this agenda down their throat. I don't need my nephews walking down the street, seeing a pride rally with their dicks out. Okay? My nephews do not need to see that shit. I'm tired of this getting advertised across the world. Transgenderism is like completely normal now. Kids are learning about this stuff at school. What the hell has happened to the world? Do you not understand what normal is? Genderless, non-binary. What are these ridiculous terms? It's men and it's women, and that's it. Let's go back to who we are as human beings. We've lost religion, we've lost God, we've lost any decorum or understanding of society. Trump 2024, the election is tonight. I can't wait to watch it at my friend's mansion. We really need him to win this. We need masculinity to be reborn, and men like me will speak up. We do not need more Democrats. We do not need to be more woke. Fuck that shit. Woke. We need to regain masculinity. We need to regain feminine and masculine values. It worked, and it will continue to work that way. And we must not veer too far off what God had planned for us. It's like we've thrown away all the religious books, and we've got rid of God, and all of a sudden now we're so free to make our own decisions that we can't even decide whether we're a woman or a man or a cat or a dog or a donkey. Garbage is what it is. Let's go Republicans. Let's go Trump, baby.